Most people trying to start a faceless YouTube channel waste months picking the wrong niche, using the wrong tools, or spending money they do not need to spend. In this video, I am going to show you a complete free workflow for creating finance niche faceless videos from scratch.
7 money habits keeping you broke without you realizing it. What if I told you that being broke usually has less to do with how much money you make, and more to do with the habits you repeat every single day? Because right now, there are people earning 6 figures and still struggling financially, while others with average incomes quietly build wealth year after year. In this video, we're breaking down 7 money habits that secretly destroy your finances, and more importantly, how to fix them before they keep you stuck for years.
Images, voiceover, video clips, and the final edit. Everything free, everything on screen, step by step. Subscribe to Padded Vibes and drop a comment telling me where you are watching from. Now let us build this properly. First, why the finance niche specifically? Finance content attracts a professional audience, and advertisers in financial services, investment platforms, and banking pay more for ad placements in this space than in most other niches. That means the same number of views on a finance channel versus a general entertainment channel can result in significantly different ad revenue performance. If you are going to invest time building a faceless channel, picking a niche where the audience demographic aligns with premium advertisers is a smarter starting point than chasing whatever seems trendy. Finance content also has strong evergreen potential. Topics like budgeting, investing basics, debt management, and building savings stay relevant regardless of what is trending on social media this week. That means videos you make today continue attracting views months and years later without needing constant updates. Now the workflow. The whole system has 4 stages. Prompts from ChatGPT, images from Flow AI, videos from Gemini Gen, and editing in Filmora. Let us go through each one. Open ChatGPT and use it to generate everything you need for the video in one go. The prompt you give ChatGPT should ask for 3 things. A character description for your on-screen AI presenter, a set of image prompts for each scene in the video, and a voiceover script for the full video. Ask for around 8 to 10 image prompts so each scene has its own visual. Structure your ChatGPT request like this. Tell it you are creating a finance niche faceless YouTube video. Ask for a consistent character description that you will use across all images. Ask for 10 image prompts based on that character in different scenes relevant to finance topics like budgeting, investing, and financial planning. Ask for a video voiceover script around 3 to 4 minutes long on a finance topic of your choice. Save everything it gives you because you are going to use all of it. Now go to Flow AI for image generation. Flow AI produces the most consistent character images of any free tool available right now, which matters a lot for a faceless channel where your audience needs to recognize the same presenter across every video. Inside Flow AI, click the plus icon and go to the channel reference section. Upload a reference image of the character style you want. This reference image is what keeps your character looking consistent from scene to scene. Set your aspect ratio to 9:16 for vertical content or 16:9 for standard YouTube. Take your first image prompt from ChatGPT. Paste it into Flow AI and generate. Wait for the image to complete, download it, then repeat the process for every image prompt. Work through all 10 prompts the same way. Reference image, paste prompt, generate, download, next. By the end of this step, you have a full set of consistent character images for your entire video. Each one shows the same AI presenter in a different scene relevant to the finance topic you chose. Now move to video generation. Go to Gemini Gen in your browser and log in. You will receive free credits on sign-up which covers your first set of generations. Inside the platform, go to Studio and then the video section. You will see several model options. Based on current testing, Grok AI inside this platform is the most reliable free option for video generation without running into subscription prompts. Select it. Take your first downloaded image, upload it as the reference frame. Paste in the matching video prompt from ChatGPT, set the ratio to 9:16, set quality to 720p, and click Generate. The video generates in seconds. Preview it, download it, and repeat for every image. You can run multiple generations at the same time to speed up the process. Work through all 10 images this way, and by the end you have a complete set of video clips for your finance video. Now the final stage. Editing in Filmora. Filmora has a free browser-accessible version that handles everything you need for this workflow. Open it in your browser, import all your video clips, and drag them onto the timeline in the order they should appear. Once your clips are on the timeline, add transitions between them. A simple black fade between scenes gives the video a clean, professional feel without being distracting. Add your voiceover audio as a separate track underneath the video clips. The voiceover script you generated from ChatGPT earlier can be converted to audio using any free text-to-speech tool. Lay that audio track under the video and sync the clips to match the natural pauses in the voiceover. Add background music at a low volume underneath the voiceover. Keep it subtle enough that the voiceover stays clear and easy to follow. Add captions as a text layer if you want to make the content accessible to viewers watching without sound. Once everything looks right, click Export and select 4K at 60 frames per second. This gives you the highest quality output, which matters for how the video looks in YouTube's player, especially on large screens. That is the complete workflow. ChatGPT for prompts and script, Flow AI for consistent character images, Gemini Gen with Grok AI for video clips, Filmora for editing and export. Every tool free. The finance niche is a strong starting point for a faceless channel because the content has real value to viewers, the topics are evergreen, and the audience demographic aligns well with premium advertisers. If you need a properly built WordPress blog or website to support your channel with written content and affiliate posts, the Padded Vibes team handles full site setup. Hit the like button if this workflow gave you something you can start using today. Subscribe to Padded Vibes for more free AI content creation tutorials every week. Drop a comment below telling me where you are watching from and what finance topic you are going to make your first video about. See you in the next one.
Keeping you broke without you realizing it. What if I told you that being broke usually has less to do with how much money you make, and more to do with the habits you repeat every single day? Because right now there are people earning 6 figures and still struggling financially, while others with average incomes quietly build wealth year after year. In this video, we're breaking down 7 money habits that secretly destroy your finances, and more importantly, how to fix them before they keep you stuck for years.